Open Settings and enable Bluetooth. Pair with Hulktech Boost controller device. Use PIN code 1234. You can change the Bluetooth PIN code from the Hulktech application. Press the Scan button. Select Hulktech Boost controller and press Connect button. Press the menu button and from the sidebar press the Update button. Press the Agree button and then press the Scan Wi-Fi button. If there are no nearby networks available, you can enable the Wi-Fi hotspot feature on your Android device. Select the Wi-Fi network and press the Connect to Wi-Fi button. If the Wi-Fi network requires a password, you will need to enter it when prompted. After successfully connecting to the desired network, press the Check for Updates button. Finally, if a new update is available, press the Update button to begin the process. You can also view the changelog of the new release to see the changes and improvements included in the update. After initiating the update process, wait until the update is finished before turning off the ignition key. Interrupting the update process can cause errors or even damage to the device. Once the update is complete, the device will typically restart automatically, and you can safely turn off the ignition key.